Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how do I integrate Trello to Discord. So first things first, you have to open your Trello right here. Go to any web browser, type Trello, tap on the first link, Trello, and then you have to log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, tap on sign up for free. So since I have my account already, I have to click login. There are tons of ways on how to log in, but for me the easiest way is just connect this to my Google account. So tap this one, and here is my Trello dashboard. So I just have to pick a workspace right here. So for example, this workspace, this is what it looks like. So what you're going to do now in order for you to integrate this Trello to Discord is you have to look for the Power Apps option, and where are you going to locate that? First, you have to make sure that you're on your correct workspace, and then what you're going to do here is you have to go to the right side. You should see the Power Apps icon, which is this one. Tap on this Power Apps icon, and then after that, you have to proceed with this add power apps. It will take you directly to the power apps section where all you have to do is locate or look for Discord. Type Discord right here. Look for Discord notifications, tap this one, and here it is. And all you have to do is tap on add. But basically, this one is only for those who have upgraded their plan. If you have upgraded your plan here on Trello, you can just basically add any power apps, and then you can also integrate or do automation. But since I'm just using the basic version, then I cannot proceed with connecting the Discord. But once you have upgraded your plan, all you have to do is tap the add. And then after that, you have to enter your Trello email address or username password, and then proceed with the following instruction. As you can see, this is what it looks like once you have integrate your Trello to your Discord. This is what it looks like right here. And you can basically see your Discord channel here on your Trello. So that's how easy it is to integrate Trello to Discord. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.